The MyRogers app lets you monitor your mobile data usage. Open the app and log in to access your account details. To set up live widgets, open the MyRogers app and navigate to Settings, then select Widgets. Choose the Data Widget option and add it to your home screen through your phone's settings. The widget appears on your home screen, showing remaining data, usage percentage, and renewal dates. The live widget updates every 15 minutes, displaying your current data usage in near real time. Customize the widget size and placement by long pressing the home screen. Ensure your device runs iOS 16 or Android 12 for full functionality. Avoid surprise data overage charges by setting up alerts in the MyRogers app. Open the app and go to the Account tab. Then select Notifications. Here, you can customize alerts to trigger at specific data usage thresholds like 50%, 80%, or 100%. For even greater control, create custom levels like 25%. These alerts appear as push notifications and in-app banners. Rogers' AI algorithms even provide predictive warnings based on your historical data usage. Customize notification sounds and vibration patterns in your device settings. To use this feature, ensure your device runs iOS 16 Plus or Android 12 Plus. By proactively managing your data usage with alerts, you can stay informed and prevent unexpected costs.